dog it is? Am I happy? You better well believe I'm happy. I mean, just listen to that. Am I happy? You damn right I'm happy. I'm stoked. I'm over the moon. No, can't bark. No barking. No barks allowed. Quiet on the set. That's what we're doing. No, you're breaking the rules. I've waited 17 years to drive this thing. I'm so just ecstatic. It was amazing. Just the feel of getting the steering wheel right back behind my hands again and pressing the gas and going down the road and just smelling the exhaust in the cab and all the feels from it. And Melissa was following me in the big white truck. She said that I was like doing, I don't know, 70. She couldn't keep up in it. Go down your window and wave them on. I didn't realize the speedometer's a little bit off on it. We're gonna have to adjust that. It needs a lot of things. It's really bad, but it's all right. We're gonna get after them. It's up and running. I can get on the road. Tags are expired there from 04 on the plates. Yeah. Insurance, yeah, we may not have that yet, but you know, we're giving her a shakedown. That's all we're doing. This is all thanks to you. Every single one of you out there watching this video right now, this is thanks to you. I would not have done this if you guys did not start liking that TikTok video and then all the rest of my videos and just motivating the hell out of me. And I appreciate it. Thank you. Every single one of you. Thank you very much. You motivate the hell out of me. I would love to see pictures of your rides. And if you're on Facebook, go ahead and join our Facebook group. Links in the description down below. Puppies, come on. Why don't say? No. We got our studio, it's coming together, as you can see here behind me. It's looking pretty cool. We've got to fill in some gaps and everything like that, but I'm pretty happy with it so far. We've got another camera coming in, a nice mic coming in. We've got some other lighting and whatnot that we're going to be utilizing. It's going to be pretty good. If you're new to the channel, you can go ahead and start up here at this video, and that's going to be the first one for the Bronco series. Get you up to speed where we're at. Don't be too judgmental on me. I'm still a novice as a videographer and putting this stuff together as a content creator. I'm finding my ways, okay? But you guys are making this happen. Every single time you hit the like button, every single time you subscribe, every single time you hit the notification bell, you are enabling me to make more videos, okay? I'm gonna let you guys know, that is direct funds right there. You don't have to do it. I'm not asking you to give me money. I'm not asking you to do anything else. All you gotta do is give a like, okay? Watch the video, share the video, all right? Honestly, that's all you gotta do. Now that I got the Bronco up here, I can do a whole lot more. I don't have to drive an hour over to Stewart's to be able to do stuff on it. I can work on it here in the shop, make more content, get everything out to you guys in a faster pace, all right? And that's what's gonna make me happy. We got some more videos that are coming up this week as well. Share this with people so they can see that the rigs that they got in their backyard that's been sitting there for 16 years, 17 years, they can freaking bring it back to life, okay? All it takes is some motivation and a little bit of money, okay? Just that elbow grease. Get after it. So, as always, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button right down there. Just hit it. Bam! Knock that thing out of the park, all right? If you do like the video, then why don't you subscribe? Because we're gonna have more videos coming down the line. The Bronco's back out of the house. Things are rolling. We're doing stuff. And if you do subscribe, if you do, go ahead and hit that notification bell right down there. Just the bell, because that's gonna let you know every single time we post a new one. As always, guys, get out there in your backyard, your side yard, your front driveway, your parking lot, whatever, your project that you've got going, get out there and start spinning on it. Just do it. Get done with this video, make your plans, make it happen. You can do this. I appreciate every single one of you. You motivate the hell out of me. And we'll talk to you later. Peace. There you go. And you're just gonna wanna watch the truck, okay? Kinda keep it sitting there. You don't have to hold on to this, okay? But just keep yourself, planted, whatever. Yeah. And then just, you know, if you need to thumb it down, whatever.
Okay.
You know, but you don't want to have to move it a whole lot, but you're just watching the truck, okay?
Okay. You mean the Bronco?
Yeah, the Bronco, yeah. All right, okay. Huh? What?
Okay, I'm getting scared.
That's up to where it gets up to the road, okay?
Oh, there you go. Hey, watch it! Don't go so fast! And, Alright.
Good. Are you okay?
I was terrified.
He was scared.
Terrified. Alright.